Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And today we are doing a wig video. Y'all, I really like doing wig videos. Like, I be feeling them, so I hope y'all be feeling them too. But today we are going to be reviewing another wig company. If you haven't saw any of my wig videos, I'm gonna go ahead and link the playlist up above, but I do have a few wig videos already out. So today we are going to be reviewing Unice hair. I've never ordered a wig from them, never reviewed anything from them. So this is what their packaging looks like. It's a box and it says Unice. And then on the back, it just has some more little information. I was lucky enough that they did send this wig to me to review for you guys. But as always, all opinions on my channel are my own and they're always honest. And you guys, let me know what you guys think at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have my laptop pulled up so that I can tell you guys the description of this wig. So this is the Unice hair silk base fake scalp ombre lace closure unit middle part. This is 150% density and I got the 18 inches. Fun fact, when I just went on their site, I did not read the description, so I did not know this was a fake scalp wig. I've never had a fake scalp wig. I don't really know how that works, but I guess we're gonna find out today. So let me go ahead and open this box. So inside you get the wig, and it does come in a hairnet. You get a little booklet that says Unice and basically just how to take care of your wig. They also sent a pair of lashes, and then they sent me a wig cap. Y'all, I was excited about this color. I don't have a wig with colors yet. I just have a natural color one and then the one that I did with the highlights. But this color is a little bit lighter than I wanted to color my hair, but I actually wanted to color my hair back like this. I mentioned this in a separate video, but I used to have my hair colored like this, but it was definitely more red. So I was excited to get this wig just because it's colored. It's supposed to have 2 light strips in the front, which it does. So it looks good. I hope y'all can see that, the color. It looks good. So I've been running my fingers through this hair. Y'all know when I be taking wigs out to package, I be touching all over them. I love to do this. So the hair kind of has it kind of smells like it's been pre-washed, which is weird. But it just has it has a nice smell to it, honestly. Yeah, the hair doesn't smell bad compared to, sometimes you get hair and it does not smell good and you be like, what the? But this doesn't smell bad at all. Go ahead and just give it a brush down. So I did get what looks to be about 2 strands, 3. But the hair feels good, it's really soft. Inside the wig, you do get 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 on the bottom, pretty basic. And then you get the 2 adjustable straps on the side. I'm not sure how many inches this is supposed to be, but there's not a lot of parting space on this thing. So this is the fake scalp. So on the closure, there looks like there's tracks on the closure. I ain't never saw no closure that got tracks on it. Yeah, can y'all see that? I don't know what they was doing with this wig and why there is tracks on the closure piece. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little bit of lace off the back. Alright, y'all, so she's on. Y'all, I don't know how I'm feeling this color. Let me know what y'all think about this color down below. I really like the two light pieces in the front. I think it's cute. Maybe after I style this wig, I'll be feeling it more. But I do wish that it was like a deeper orange. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pin this back so that I can go ahead and cut the lace. So I'm not gonna be gluing the wig on today. It's like late, and honestly, I don't like gluing my wigs on. I definitely prefer glueless wigs. I can put them on real quick, take them off real quick. That's just what works for me. So I'm not gonna glue this wig on. Yeah, I really think it's gonna bring this wig to life after it gets styled. So I'm gonna be doing a quick little flat iron on her. I'm gonna tell y'all the pros and the cons of it. First of all, with this wig, the hair is soft. I'm gonna give it to him. This hair is soft. So I can't even say nothing about that. The hair is soft. Now, I don't know what they got going on with the closure, but I don't know why they put tracks on the closure instead of let it just be a closure. So that was a little weird. So if you are looking at this wig, just be mindful that you can't really switch the part up. If that's something that you like to do, like switch your parts up, you can't do that with this. Another thing with this wig, while I was straightening it, I did get quite a bit of hairs that fell. For this wig, because I feel like the color is a little, it's just not blended. This is definitely a wig that I would recommend you curl and not just wear down. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look with the hair straightened. I am gonna go ahead and wand curl this hair. So I'm just gonna be doing like some big curls. So alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. After I got done curling it, I really like how it looks curled. It looks really good. So you guys, let me know first what you guys think about this wig, but second of all, how do you like this color on me? I don't know. I think it's like, it's different. It's something I'm really not used to. So yeah, let me know down below. Baby, what you think about it? Baby, what you think about my wig?
I think it looks great, bro.
Alright, we being honest.
I think it looks really good. I like it a lot.
What do you think about the color?
I like the color.
Like the color?
It goes well with your skin.
Yeah.
I'm so serious. It looks really nice.
Period. Okay. I guess that's that. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.